Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. Today we will start our next chapter, that is so many questions. This chapter is related to some questions and we will find out their answers. So let's begin. So as you can see, our first question is, how do seeds germinate in the absence of sunlight? So as you have already read in your science about germination, so this will be easier for you to understand. Actually, seeds have already food stored in them, right? So they do not require food for germination, for growth. They only require sufficient amount of moisture and sufficient amount of warmth to grow. Whereas as the leaves start growing, the leaves use the sunlight for making the food for the growth and development of the plant. So this is the reason that seeds they can germinate in the absence of sunlight. Okay. Now let us come to our next question. Why do we always see lightning before thunder? So the speed of light is greater than the speed of sound, because light travels faster than sound. So this is the reason that we always see the lightning first and then we listen the sound of thunder. Okay. Next is, which bone in our body is stronger than concrete? Can you make any guess? It is the thigh bone. The human thigh bone called femur is stronger than concrete. Okay. So I hope up to this much is clear. Next come to question number 4. Why do school bags have white straps? So these are white straps of the school bags, as you can see. So school bags have white straps so that the weight of the bag can fall over a large area on the shoulder, thus producing less pressure on the shoulder, because the larger the area is, the smaller the pressure will be. Okay. And our next question is, we cannot hear any sound on the moon. Why? So this one also you have got in your science. So the answer is, as we know that sound needs a medium to travel, right? And the medium is air. But in moon, no air is there. So sound waves cannot travel. So this is the reason that we cannot hear any sound on the moon. Understood? Next is, how can bats fly in the night without colliding with any object? At night, the bats, they use their hearing to navigate their way. They generate ultrasonic squeaks, that is high frequency sound waves. These sound waves get reflected back by the objects to the bats in the form of echoes. The bats then react to these echoes and figure out the size and distance of the object in their way, and thus can fly without colliding with them. Now come to our next question. Is there any landmass on earth which is not owned by any country? Yes. There is a landmass on earth which is not owned by any country, and the name of the landmass is Antarctica. Our last question is, who performed the first successful human-to-human heart transplant and when? The answer is, a South African surgeon, Christian Barnard, performed the first successful human-to-human heart transplant in 1967. Okay, so we have got all our answers. Now children, you can see the solved answer of these questions in the next page. And don't forget to learn them. Okay. Now let's start our first chapter of book 2. Is this your car? So Children, whenever we see a vehicle, the first thing we notice is its number plate. A number plate is a license plate or vehicle registration plate made of metal or plastic, which is attached to the vehicle for identification purposes. It is a combination of alphabets and digits that form a registration number, and it is issued by the district RTO, means Regional Transport Office, and it should be placed in front and back of the vehicle. So this is a picture of a number plate. Here you can see IND is written. This is the International Registration Code for India. Upper to the registration code, you can see a hot stamped chromium based Ashoka Chakra symbol is there, and down to the registration code there is a unique laser H serial number is there. Okay. Now come to the registration number. So the first part of the registration number, that is HR, it denotes the state where the vehicle is registered. For example, here HR is written, that means it is of Haryana. If here AS is written, that means it will be of Assam, and WB is for West Bengal, and etc. Okay. Next come to the second part, 26. This part denotes the district where the vehicle is registered. Okay. And the third part is the unique alphanumeric combination code. So you can see the number plate and its various parts and what is the meaning of each part. Okay. So in India, two types of license plates or number plates are used. One is for commercial vehicles and another one is for private vehicles. For commercial vehicles, the plate has a yellow background and black numbering. And for private vehicles, a white background with black numbering plate is used. So children, now you may think, what is the importance of number plates? Right? So listen carefully. Number plates are not just for getting attention from passing by traffic, but for lawful purposes too. The main reason of a number plate is for giving a unique identity to a vehicle, which can be traced whenever needed for security reasons. For example, if there is any accident on the road or any crime is conducted using the vehicle, then it's easy for police to investigate the owner of the vehicle and do further investigation and many more. So I hope children that now you have understood what is a number plate and what is its importance. So let us find out the states of the given below number plates. In the first number plate, you can see the state is written DL and the answer is given Delhi. That means DL stands for Delhi. Okay. The next one you can see that the state is denoted with UA. So UA stands for Uttaranchal. Okay. UA for Uttaranchal. Next is MH. The state is MH, so it will be Maharashtra. Then the next number plate denotes state UP. UP stands for Uttar Pradesh. Okay. The next one is WB. WB stands for West Bengal. Okay. Then the number plate is denoted with BR. BR stands for Bihar. And the next one is KA. KA stands for Karnataka. The next number plate is HR. HR stands for Haryana. and the last one is denoted with KL. So KL stands for Kerala. Okay, so here we have find out all the states in the given number plates. Now students, I hope you enjoyed this chapter, and from now on whenever you will see a vehicle, you will try out the meaning of its number plate. Okay, so see you again in the next chapter. Till then, bye bye, have a good day.